how to use master face filter, smoothness, tone, Jawline eyes on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on camera app. Now here, so click on this four dot icon. So after click on this four dot icon, click on this emoji icon. So after click on this emoji, first of all turn on filters. So after turn on face filters, you will see smoothness is here. So you will select smoothness and click on tone. You will see tone is here, so you will select tone from here. So you will select jawline. So after selecting jawline, click on eyes and you will see. After selecting, you will see click on screen and take a picture. So after take picture, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use master face filter, smoothness, tone, jawline, eyes on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.